And man-made, the resistance to change is there, but here adaptation. So I think adaptation is the most important word we have to have nowadays. We have to adapt it to live in a corona world, right? And first time we are unable to adapt with the world, but nowadays we are government is also saying you have to practice with the corona, right? And man-made centralized and biology system is distributed, and man-made fossil fuel dependent, and fossil fuel means you are polluting the environment, and balance system, it is running on a current solar system. And here man-made maximum one goal is there, here whole system, right? And each and every animal, so when they are moving, right? So for example, you can see here the snail as well as the freshwater mussel, and there is a question in the slug. So this when the shell is not there, it is called as the snail is called as a slug. So how do we make glue that won't hurt the plant? So when it is moving onto the plant, see the slug is thinking that how do we make glue that won't hurt? And the freshwater mussel is also having a question, how do we make a house that builds it? So there are several questions also happening in animals world. So first we'll see about example of a biomimicry in architecture. So you might have seen this kind of termite mound in your area. I think you can't see, you can see it's only a small one, and this is called as a termite mound. So karayan puttu அப்படினு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். And normally the snakes, they are living in the house of the termites. So பாம்புக்கு எதுவும் கூடு அந்த மாதிரி புத்துலாம் பாம்பு புத்து கிடையாது. Actually this is known as a, so இதுக்கு வந்து பேர் கரையான் புத்து. So you can imagine a size. So you can't see this kind of size in your area, you can see only in a forest, right? And when you look into the why I am showing this termite mound as well as the building is, and the termite, so normally when you are having an apartment, in the ground floor you will be having one particular temperature, in first floor one temperature, second, third, or in the 15th floor or 20th floor you must be having different kinds of temperature. And for cooling yourself you will be having a AC, air cooler or air condition. But how the termite is living inside without any problem. So I'll have a cross section of the termite mound also, you can see here, right? So in the left side you can see the cross section, and you can see so many areas, the arrows which is present in it is all the air which is entered into the system, right? And coming to this termite, you can see there will be so many holes in that termite, and as well as the termite also producing new holes, because only through these holes air is entered into the system. And why I am showing this, in the termite, inside the termite house, so there will be a cooling you must be experienced, always cold in nature, right? You can't see any warmness inside the termite mound. And scientists wondered how it happens, how it is happened. It is developed by the termites, which is coming at an exact invertebrate, right? Which is not having a vertebral column, முதுகெலும்பு கிடையாது. And it is also now according to human being, it is also not having a sixth sense, so ஆறாவது அறிவு கிடையாது. But how it climbs, right? So because of the aeration which is created by the termites. And the right side building is, you can see this is the Eastgate Central building in Harare, Zimbabwe. And the building they constructed exactly like that of the termite. Okay, so they'll be having opening as well as closing vent in many areas of the building, right? And because of that, there will be a consumption, that is a construction cost is also less, and 10% of energy is also used here. And this is on the cross section of the building, you can see the arrow which is present there, or vent, the water, the air is entered into the building, right? And now the building is very cool in each and every, and this is a sustainable way of living. And as well as energy consumption, we have to use air condition. Here air condition is not necessary. And after because of the air condition, we are experiencing CFC, chlorofluorocarbon release, there will be a global warming also. And another thing is Gecko tape. You might have having cello tape with yourself, and this tape, how the tape is invented, and this is invented by seeing the gecko. So, and gecko is nothing but a lizard. And I think you might have seen the lizard, which is a normal lizard in your house, and it is you can see the lizard walking on the roof, right, and upside down, and sideways it is going, and it never fell down. Okay, right? So how it is happening? So if you look at the legs, and so the next picture you can see easily, and it is having some kind of hairy structure is there, microscopic, and that fit into the roof area, and because of that there will be a joining and adhesive, more adhesive secretion. The secretion is not there, but it is having the as. So I think you know about Van der Waals forces, right? And because of the Van der Waals forces, it has a powerful adhesive effect, right? So this application, even we are using it in underwater as well as the space station area, we are using it, right? And I think you might have seen about Spider-Man, right? And here you can see the lizard, right? So you can see when you see microscopically the toes of each toes of the leg of the lizard, you can see minute hairs will be there, and the hairs as well as the surface of the wall or whatever may be the surface it walks on. It is having some Van der Waals forces, because the Van der Waals forces, it has a adhesive in nature, right? And next is the bullet train, right? And that is this bullet train, it is in Japan, and I have shown you a kingfisher also. I think you may correlate the, now you can correlate the which organ is modified and produced in the engine, right? So why I am showing this picture? So for when they are first, the bullet train is running on the track, it was very fast, and when it is enters into the tunnels as well as coming out of the tunnels, they heard a voice, say enormous voice, a horrible voice, which is not tolerable by the human being, which is who are sitting inside the train. And the scientists, they want to reduce the voice, and they have think about many things. And one scientist, they saw the kingfisher. When you see the kingfisher, when taking the fish in the water, and it is coming out of the water, and the scientist heard only a less noise, and he had many thinking, and after that he converted the engine, the front portion of the bullet train, into a beak of kingfisher. And to his surprise, when it is entered the tunnel as well as coming out of the tunnel, there was very minimum voice, right? And another important thing, there is a consumption also, right? And this slide is for the slide is changed a part, okay? And the nanoscale spatula which is present in, so that is, this is with regard with the gecko lizard, right? Sorry for the change of slides here. CT which is present in the toes, so it's like a spatula, like it means spoon-like structure. And when you interact with the wall atoms, it generates the Van der Waals forces, and it demonstrates high friction. And because the intimate contact with an opposing surface, so by bending of numerous theta into the wall, it has an adhesive part. Okay, so this is regarding the gecko. And the bullet train, and this is a Shinkansen bullet train. This is a very fastest train, and already said noise. I think you might have heard about Sony Gator, and creates more noise. And kingfisher moving from two medium, that means air medium into the water medium without noise. So the same thing happening in the bullet train also, right? The front end of the train was modeled after the bird's beak. So you can see the results. The train, there is no much noise, and you can see another for the surprises, 15% reduction in the electricity, as well as the speed is also improved 10%. And another one, whale power wind turbine. I think you might have seen about, I show the wind turbine here. Wind turbine, and as well as you might have seen this. This is a wind turbine. As well as you might have seen this wind turbine in whales. You might have seen a blue whale. The fin of the blue whale is like whale. Humpback whale flipper is, you can see some of the structure is like this, right? So because of they have changed the blade, the wind turbine blade, like there are the humpback whale, right, with the bumps, which is tubercles, and on the leading edge, okay, and because of that we are getting the greater efficiency, right, in the hydroelectric turbines as well as the wind turbine, and as well as in the fans also. So that there are 32% less drag, and as well as lift is 8% increase lift is there in the movement when water is entering or air is entering, okay, and because of that the efficiency was increased to 20%, right, and this is all invented by seeing the humpback whale flipper, right, and you might have seen a lotus. When you pour a water in a lotus, I think you don't have any water is not absorbed into the leaf, and the water is changed into a droplet, and that be running on the lotus leaf, right? And why it is because of there are so many research went on, right? And the water is roll off in the lotus leaf, and that kind of effect was taken up by the researchers, and they have invented the developed the ways to treat the surface of the plastic as well as metals with the same effect, like wax coating, right? Here you can, one thing you can see, so hydrophilic means water loving, and the lotus leaf is hydrophobic, so it is not attracting the water, it is hating, right? It is retract the water. So lotus leaves are they are a self-cleaning method is having in the leaf, and when you look at microscopically the leaf surface, it is a microscale surface. There are trapped air in the interstitial spaces. So when you look into the leaf microscopically, it's more than 100x. You can see there will be a gap in the leaf itself. So big trap the air, and which the spaces it reduces the liquid as well as the solid contact area was decreased, right? And when you see mathematically there's improves the contact angle is up to 170-degree droplet. The dirt particles stick to these droplets, the dirt which is present in the leaf, and slightly tilt causes the droplet to roll off, right? And it is having a rough surface. So by seeing the leaf itself, you can see it is a smooth one, but it is not like that. If you look into the 100x magnification, you can see rough surface. And here we are using the same technology into paint glass as well as the fabric finishes, right? And stain as well as water repellency. And also nowadays you might have heard about cloth which is not wrinkle-free cloth. So even the water is not able to sit on that, right? And the another example you might have seen about the snail. When you cut up on the snail, you'll be having this kind of structure, so rolling structure, or some of the house may be having the rolling steps in your area, right? And this technology is happening in each and every instrument, even the fan itself you are having, right? And this is known as, we are talking about Fibonacci sequence, right? When you look into the sunflower, or when you look into the chameleon tail, it will be rolling like anything. Even I think during rainy season in our area we'll be having some rail bandi puchi. So when you touch the millipede, automatically it circle through, right? And this design, it is of a Fibonacci sequence, right? And there is a derivation is there, and according to the derivation, everything is happening even in the like mathematics plays important role. This is Fibonacci sequence is a mathematical derivation. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2 and plus 3 and plus 5. So you can see by seeing the number itself. When you look at the flower of sunflower, in the middle, there will be a wholeness, whole, W-H-O-R-L, okay? Wholeness you will be seeing there. And by seeing the wholeness, actually, we are inventing many things like fan or turbine. So many things that inside the, so there are so many things we were invented, motors, compressor as well as pump, and it save electricity also. And butterfly, you might have seen many butterflies in your area or around the area, right? And even in the butterfly itself, when you throw some water on it, so it can't store the water, right? So the oily skin is present, right? And even some of the butterflies close in night also. Even when the sunlight is fall on it, you'll be having a bright color, right? And you can see so many colors in the butterfly, birds, even the human beings are getting that kind of colors only by seeing the animal itself. So they are creating color dyeing process, pigment, and converting different colors, selecting different colors. They are using it by seeing the birds as well as the animals. And here also super hydrophobicity is present in the surface of the insect thing. And so there is an artificial photosynthesis. So I think many people know about photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and water, sunlight. We are getting the sunlight, light from the sun, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and as well as water from the soil, and food is prepared, right? Likewise, there is an artificial photosynthesis process. We are not creating a food product here, but inside. So the sunlight is split water into hydrogen and oxygen, right? And this here, the hydrogen is used up for the fuel. And in future, many cars, they are not run by diesel or petrol. They are going to run by hydrogen and as well as electricity. And this is the latest innovation. And aircraft wings. There are many kind of airplane wings are designed. They are changing the shape by seeing the many animals, even the bat, wawal, right, as well as other birds. So what they are trying to change, and they came to conclusion that by changing the wings or selecting different structure of wings from birds as well as fish, the speed as well as the duration of the flight is changing, right? And the long distance, the size may be a differ, and the short distance, the size may be a differ. By changing this, even in a drone, nowadays we are using more drones. They are having a specific as well as innovation, energy consuming thing. And from the shark, last year we have seen a humpback shark. It's a whale, and here that is a mammal, and this is a fish shark. Here, the skin of a shark, which you are seeing in underwater, the skin is friction reduced. Friction is very, very less. So that's why it is moved in a fast manner as well as it's moving in a good manner, right? And the friction-free skin technology is taken by us, and many people are swimsuit. So that is prepared by seeing the shark. So it is ability is reducing the drag. So that means the friction movement is very much reduced. The coatings are ship, submarine, aircraft, as well as swimwear in man. Everything is based upon the technology taken from the shark. And Michael Phelps, you might have heard about him, a good swimmer, and he got 8 gold medals in the Olympic, and he's having many shoots, and he's having a 43 world record, and only because of this skin, like the skin, the swim wear is just like a skin of a shark. The technology is taken from the shark skin. And there is a glowfish, right? So glow in the dark aquarium. And the glowing means that some kind of chemical may be present in a fish. I think you might have glow insect, okay, and minmini puchi. And there is a luciferase enzyme which is responsible for the selection of light, okay. And there are technologies transferred from these animals, and nowadays brick are invented. Some of the chemicals which is responsible for the glowness is transferred to the brick, and it is new buildings are constructed with the help of the bricks, and during the night time it illuminates. So that kind of thing, innovation, they are human beings are taking this for the welfare of us. And this is very much know about this thing. There are so many autonomous robots with the inspiration from the insect, right? So from the insect we are getting. So because why we are taking the insect, when you look at the cockroach, even the slight area. So when you started beating the cockroach in the kitchen or somewhere else, you can't see it when it is entered into the small opening. It goes just like lightning speed, right? And like that, humans are creating a robot-like structure or camera which is fitted in the robot by seeing for their other countries, or even nowadays very small robots or nano robots are invented. This is also just like an insect-like structure entered into the body, and operations were done by using it. And this is a fish. So you might have heard about the puffer fish. So you can see it's a box fish. So if you see the fish as well as the car, so both are similar, right? And the car was, this is nothing but a Mercedes Benz innovated car, right? And you can see the symbol of the Mercedes in front. And the front portion is just like a mouth of a fish, and the remaining. When you close the fish, when you see the car, it may be a new one. But when you look at this, both of them at the same slide, you can see both are same. So why they have invented, or why they are made the car into a fish-like structure? It tells the innovation as well as the technology as well as the many things, right? So characteristics of the fish, it is having the powerful muscles, the shape is streamlined and rigid. The outer skin is rigid, means very strength, numerous bony as well as hexagonal plate, right? And the drag coefficient is 0.06 friction effect, as well as when you see the car of Mercedes-Benz, and it is launched in 2005, and the mileage is 70 miles per gallon, and fuel efficient because the streamlined shape and lightweight characteristics. Fuel consumption is reduced, no emission, and biofuel efficient. It's run on biofuel and the maximum 190 kilometer. Like that, so there are so many innovations are there. So there's a Bob tree inspired tree house and tree climbing robot. It mimics the inchworm. This kind of thing may be constructed by many of engineering college students. Drones are also constructed by engineering college students. And biomimicry are heliotrope flowers, and that means the flower which is, I think you know about the sunflower. In the morning, it towards the east, and when at 1 o'clock, the flower is at a straight location, and in the evening it turns to. So turning of flowers according to the sun's motion, right? So by looking at this, we are having a solar panels, right? And even if you look at the solar panel, right, the solar panel which is the panel which is present on the surface, so that is designed by seeing the skin of butterfly and as well as the other animals, which even the butterfly skin, it also traps some of the solar energy. This is the reason finding. So what we are saying reason finding means, for India it may be a reason, for Western countries it may be a 10 years or 15 years. Like, okay, and survival locating spider. So this is a robot, and armadillo backpack. So armadillo back, I think you may have heard about armadillo, yeah, animal, which is circular, right? And the skin of the animal is scale-like. So one scale, and just like a tiles, old you might have seen tile house. Yeah, tile above one tile and above one tile. Just like that, the skin of the armadillo is present, and the backpack, the bag, which you are having on your back. Okay, and that the outer part is made up of like armadillo skin, and what kind of thing it is? That it is they are saying that it is less weight, as well as the movement, as well as there is no problem while going running. Okay, and there is another bird skull shoe. Okay, this is the shoe which is worn by the ladies, high heel shoe. When you cut open the high heels, okay, you can see the several gaps present in it. Only because of that they are able to walk in it. So I am showing some of the instrument as well as innovation here. There are so many things and so many things to invent by you like students. So you have to see each and every animal, right? Behavior and everything, and you combine that animal as well as the behavior with your knowledge of understanding in an engineering concept, and you have to combine both, and with your brain you can bring innovations, and you can bring many wonders and as well as many instruments to this world from India. By doing this, like our Modi said, make in India, right? So the student who is studying in India, they are inventing a special mission by using biomimicry concept. So that will be a wonderful thing. And so how we can do things, right? So in order to learn from nature, so you must have some patience. So you must observe the animal first, right? And the observation, it is not new to the engineers, right? So you people always observe many things to design a process, right? And you must establish a relationship between the structure and function of the animal, right? And to the present day problem, what we are facing, there are so many problems that we are facing regarding the invention of machines, and you correlate things, and by studying the nature's best idea and by imitating the design which is present in the animal, take the processes, and you can solve complex human problems. So that kind of thing, I promise that you students will do, and make India in the world in a first position. Thank you, Ananda. Thank you.